I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable transaction notifications on your PNC account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your PNC account. Start by visiting the PNC website or opening the PNC mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile option. This is usually found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select notification preferences. In account settings, find the section labeled notification preferences or alerts. Click on it to view your options for transaction notifications. Step 4. Enable transaction notifications. Look for the option to enable transaction notifications. You may need to toggle a switch or check a box next to transaction alerts. Make sure to save your changes. Note, if you don't see the toggle, try refreshing the page or logging out and back in. Step 5. Customize your alerts. After enabling notifications, you can customize how you receive them via email, text, or app notifications. Choose your preferred method and save your settings. Now you're all set to receive transaction notifications from PNC. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support.